appreciate you for triggering very thought-provoking conversations here. So that's really nice. So talking about millennials being tech savvy, and I also come from a generation where I'm very much old school when it comes to my style of working, till very recently. But then when I started being driven by this bunch of millennials at the workplace and my teenagers at home, the only way for me to be part of that group, that life, was to reinvent myself to the extent I can. Obviously, it's not possible for me to keep up pace with them because we must be outdated and all of that. But definitely, I did a lot of reinventing myself. For example, I used to talk a lot with the team. That's my style. So every morning I would go and we would have a small conversation. So one of them in the team told me, "Ma'am, itna gyan humko dete ho, jaake dunya ko bhi do." Okay. So people could take that as a taunt. That why are you telling the boss? Okay. And when an intern is telling that to a CHRO, it could be. But then I just went back and asked that boy, what is it that you mean when you say this? Guide me through it. Okay. So he said, all that you're telling us so much, there's so much of value in what you're talking, start writing on LinkedIn. Believe me, I opened my LinkedIn account 20 years ago, but I became active on LinkedIn just 13 months back. And since then, I am on LinkedIn almost every other day with some thought or the other. And I'm really not bothered about how many likes I'm getting. But the point is, there's someone out there who feels that I took his advice and I'm on social media, right? Apart from that, I go and teach in various B schools, no matter what tier they are. I do a lot of student interaction, whether it is a credit course teaching or whether it is a guest lecture or whatsoever. One commitment I have made in every B school, and I have stayed true to that commitment, is students are my priority. Because somewhere I felt that these are the people who have made me what I am today. So when I say students are my priority, you know what? They actually test. So I tell them that you can reach out to me anytime. And I'm sure a lot of my corporate colleagues do that. They say that at the campus. And they test. So whenever anybody, student or whatsoever, especially students, when they ping me on LinkedIn, I respond almost within a second, right? And till date, I think I must have guided and interacted closely with over 200 students to do their case study competitions and projects in the various B schools. So the moment they see that you're true and committed to what you say, I think the trust just keeps building over there. Yeah. So thanks.